Hey everyone, this is Nikita. Welcome back to my English learning journey. Today is day 27 of my English learning journey. Now is affirmation time. First is today is a new opportunity for me. 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 Second is I'm improving every single day. 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 Third is I'm capable of achieving my goal. 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 Fourth is I deserve love, success, and joy in my life. I deserve love, success, and joy in my life. I deserve love, success, and joy in my life. I deserve love, success, and joy in my life. I deserve love, success, and joy in my life. Fifth is I believe in myself and my ability. 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 Sixth and last is no matter what happens, I will not give up. No matter what happens, I will not give up. No matter what happens, I will not give up. No matter what happens, I will not give up. No matter what happens, I will not give up. Today is day 27 of my English learning journey, and today I want to say something honestly. I am not the same person anymore. I was full of hesitation. I used to think too much before speaking. I was scared of grammar mistakes. I was afraid that people would judge me. I was afraid that someone would laugh at my pronunciation. But today something has changed inside me. The biggest change is not my English. The biggest change is my mindset. Earlier, I used to wait. I used to wait for the right time. I used to wait for the right time. I used to wait for become perfect. But now I understand something very important and powerful. Confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes after action. When I speaking when I started speaking daily, I realized that fear is not reality. Fear grows when we start silent. Fear becomes weak when I started speak. Every single day when I started to press the record button, my heart beat fast, but I still speak, and that is my victory. I am not trying to be perfect. I am trying to be better than yesterday. There were days when I didn't feel motivated. There were days when I felt tired. There were days when I thought, why am I even doing it? But then I asked question myself. If I stop now, will I ever become the person I dream to be? And the answer was no. So I continued. This journey is teaching me discipline. It is teaching me discipline. It is teaching me patience. It is teaching me how to face discomfort. Because growth is never happens inside perfect. If I always stay silent because I am scared, I will never grow. So now I choose growth over comfort. I choose courage over fear. I have understood that mistakes are not embarrassing. Mistakes are proof that I am trying. If I make mistakes, it's mean I am trying. I am learning. If I feel uncomfortable, it's mean I am improving. English is not just a language for me anymore. It is a tool, it is a bridge, it is a key to my success, a key to confidence, a key to self-expression. Earlier, I used to translate every single sentence in my mind. Now I try to think directly in English. Earlier, I used to speak very fast because I was nervous. Now I try to speak clearly and slowly. Earlier, I used to doubt of myself. Now I increase myself. I have become my own supporter, and that is powerful. People may not see my progress clearly, but I can feel it. My thoughts are clear, my sentences are clear, my fear is smaller. This journey is not about just speak English fluently. It is about building a strong personality. It is about proving to myself that I can do difficult things. It is about breaking the limits that I created in my own mind. Sometimes we think the world is stopping me, but the truth is, most of the time we are stopping ourselves. Now I don't want to stop myself anymore. I know I am still learning. I know I am not fluent yet, but I also know something very important. I am improving, and improvement is enough for me. I don't compare my day 27 with someone else day 200. I compare my day 27 with my date one. When I do that, I feel proud because I started. Starting is very difficult. Continuing is powerful. If someone is watching me and thinking, I can't do this, I want to say one thing. You can, but you have to begin. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait for perfect pronunciation. Start with broken sentence. Start with simple word. Start scared, but start. Your future self will thank you. One day I will look back at these videos and smile. I will remember this version of me. The version that was trying, learning, improving, struggling but not quitting. And that memory will be beautiful. Today is day 27. I am not perfect. I am not fluent yet, but I am fearless compared to before. And this is just a beginning. I am growing, I am learning, I am becoming stronger, and I will not stop. Alright, guys, this was a day 27 of my English learning journey. If you are watching my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.